XPS M1530, and they have a broken screen. As you can see, it's all right there. So I'm going to show you how to change the broken screen on this computer. First thing you need to do is, of course, power down, and you're going to remove your battery. You don't need to have that installed. And then we're going to be popping this back here, and you're just going to work your way all the way around the top and down to the bottom. The camera area, you want to be kind of careful because this will break. It's very thin plastic. But just to give you an example, this is not normally pop, but it's just kind of peeling. It's like it's got, yeah, it's got a glue, which is fine. Okay, so once we get this all the way down, I believe, yeah, it'll pop off right here. Once you get it all the way down, then you'll have to work on the front area as well. Once I get this off, we'll get to the next step. It's fairly simple. Okay, so this screw down here, this one here, that one, and the two center ones here, and that one. Take those screws out. Your back lid, this back lid should fold down, or the screen will fold forward. Then your next step would take, and there's a screw here, there, there, and there. So there's 4 screws on each side. You take them off. Once that's done, I'll cut to the next video and show you how to disconnect the ribbon. It's fairly simple. Okay, so I got all the screws removed. I'm just going to lower the screen. And you have 2 connections here you need to take off. This is a piece of tape that you're going to peel out. And that's how you do it. Normally it's a little bit stiffer. You pull it out. Try not to destroy that. Very hard to change out. And this, you see this little blue tab? Yep, that's all you have to do is pull up and you're done. So now you just take your remaining 4 screws out on each side, put the new one in, which I'm going to do in a second, and when you see the computer turn back on, the new screen will be in and you'll see that it works. Now your screen should be back to normal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.